Welcome back. In today's guide, I will show you how we can set up our SMTP server. And this is just a test website where we enter our credentials and we will check that our credentials is working fine or not. And the same step you need to follow for your original PHP or MySQL project what we have given to you in our future. Okay, so first we will understand this word what is SMTP. So basically, SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the standard protocol and used across the internet for sending emails from one server to another. Okay, so you can simply consider them. The S exactly means the simple, and the mail means M means the email messages, and the T means the transfer protocol for sending or delivering the messages, and P for the protocol. Okay, so I will give you the real world analogy. Imagine you write a letter and drop it in a mailbox. Okay, then the postal service, that is actually our SMTP, picks it up and route it through sorting center's mail server. That is sorting center. What that is our actually our mail servers, and deliver it to the recipient mailbox in there. That is actually their inbox. Okay, SMTP is that entire delivery pipeline for emails. Okay, so how SMTP works: when email is sent, it goes through multiple steps. What are the steps? First, the email composes, and then the SMTP server validate and routes, and then recipient servers accept the delivery and the recipient's inbox see the email. So there is five main things: connection, authentication, transfer, routing, and the delivery. So without wasting time, now I am going to show you how you can get these credentials and how you can set up this. Okay, you understand them. There are free email providers like the Gmail, the Outlook, and the Yahoo. But in our case, we will use our Gmail. Okay, so that is the 500 emails sending limit per a day. How we can get our credentials? We just simply go to our manager Google account, then go to your security and sign in, and make sure you have two-step verification on, and search here the app password. So when you search here the app password, simply come to this option, and when you come to this option, now you can able to see here that is your app password. Let's take example, that is my test one. Okay, so I have created a test one and click on this create. So when I click on this create, it have generated a app password for me. So I need to simply copy this particular password, the 16 digit password, and save it in my very safe place. You can simply create a document in your Google Drive and save it there, because it's only appears one time. After that, if you lose this password, you cannot able to access your SMTP. You need to create a password again. Okay, I just simply click on this done. Now I just come back here and paste my password here. And what is my username? I will enter my email ID from which email ID I have created Kipsian community. I have created the password and just simply add it here. Okay, you understand them. I just copy this, and here from email address paste it here to email address this. And what is our SMTP server? So for the Gmail, we use the smtp.gmail.com, and the port we will use it here the 465, and the security we will select here auto and click on this test it. So when I click on this test it, now you can able to see here our SMTP is working successfully fine, and it means we can use these credentials to our PHP or MySQL related project settings. So this is the way how you can set up your SMTP credentials in our PHP or MySQL related projects to enable the features of